Hi. So I turned a video in earlier today for the sprint, which was at I think 8 in the morning for me, and I've worked on it a little bit more since then, so I thought I would add a little addendum to that. Obviously, I feel like if what I had done by the time it was supposed to be done is what needs to be turned in, that's what I should be graded on, but I kind of wanted to show you the progress that I've made. Just a little bit of tweaks here and there made a big difference on everything. So I'm going to put the mic down here. But just by changing the timing of the animation for the cat and the jump, it looks much better, and by changing the material color to be a little lighter, it's a lot easier to see the cat. So the jump now looks like it goes up and down and touches down and transitions pretty well. The dog also has been adjusted to have the same benefit. But now the cat carriers pop out randomly colored cats, and the game doesn't have any UI yet, but there is a thing keeping track of that number. So for every cat you rescue, it will be able to keep track on the screen. I'll let you know. I still haven't adjusted the dash yet, but there's a little white cat. Let's just go forward and see some of the other cats that we have here. There's a little, I think that one was the same color as me, a little orange cat. Yeah, there's another orange one. There's a calico one, I think, and a tortoiseshell one, and just a black one, if I'm remembering right. And yeah, so now we have cats. They break out of the cages. The only other thing I'd like to do before I start working on just VFX and that sort of thing is, I've read somewhere about a shader that will just sit on top of the material, and it will just cause the whole object to sort of shine white a little bit here and there, and I'll just apply that to all of the objects that you can interact with in the game so that it's easy to tell, oh, that's, I mean, it has a little rumble. Some of the things have that sort of thing, but anyways, that's just part of the fun. Yeah, speedrun strats. No, I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna try to make it so that the dash is a little bit less. By that I mean you probably get about one dash per level slice that you get to choose where to use it, or maybe two. So, anyways. And yeah, I guess I didn't even really show you this, but as time goes on, the sun up here slowly sets, and it turns to night out here. So half of the game takes place during the day, and then depending on how far you get, you might get to the point where the sun sets and rises multiple times, so that you could actually keep track of how far you've gotten that way. But yeah, pretty good stuff. I'd made, with just a few tweaks, I made so much progress, I'm like, I'm gonna make another video and put it up. It's a good addendum. Alright. See you on VFX and audio day, yeah?